Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to hide followers and following on Instagram. This method is very quick and easy. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's open up your Instagram application. Click on your profile in bottom right corner. Now click on your followers. Here you can see detail of your followers who is following you. At the same end you can see the detail of your following to whom you are following. Now click on three dots in top right corner. Scroll down and go to Creator Tools and Controls. Scroll down again and click on Switch Account Type. Switch your account to personal if your account is business. Switch to personal account. My account has been switched to personal now. Now click on three dots again. Scroll down and click on Account Privacy. Now private your account. Click on this and private it. Switch to private. Read these details carefully and switch it to private. Your account is switched to private. In this way your followers can see your number of followers but not their details who is following you. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.